out there.
We gotta hurry up.
Huh?
We gotta hurry up.
Right, thank you.
I said our flight boarding right now. We're an hour late. Cause they had to de-ice the plane. We're an hour late.
Are you serious?
Yes. We gotta hurry up. Alright, Roller Gang family, the car service picked us up. We officially in Cancun, Mexico. We in Cancun, Mexico. We actually right now we in a hotel zone, as you can see. Oh, Saint Laurent, Prada, Louis, Gucci, the Boutique Palace, the Fashion Harbor. Yeah, in a hotel zone of Cancun. About to do a little shop. I'm just playing. We ain't doing no shop. We about to go to our hotel right now. We are literally like an hour away from our hotel. Our hotel is in between Tulum and Playa Del Carmen. I think that's how you say it. So that's where we headed right now. We officially landed in Viva la Mexico to support. I said to support.
Surprise.
To surprise Lily for her birthday. I straight said to support. I guess I am supporting her because.
Yes, you are always.
You know. But now, we on our way to our hotel. I'll get some. Starting already?
Already all day. All day. Take a shot of this.
What's that one? Birthday cake?
Birthday cake. Yep.
Put some in the top. I'll take a shot of that one.
Okay. I gotta figure it out.
You just thugging it, huh? Don't give a damn.
It's my birthday week. It's my birthday. Go big or go home.
Do it taste like birthday cake?
Yeah.
It actually do.
Yeah, it's good.
It wasn't bad at all. Yeah, it was good. It was good. Shout out to Mexico. Time to get lit. All of this is not possible without this man right here, man. This man right here put me on. He put me in the game. I came, and it's everything he said it was gonna be. Shout out to my dog Otha for sure.
Yeah, boy.
For sure, man.
Hey, man, enjoy that. Enjoy that, man. Like,
Most
you're
definitely.
gonna enjoy every bit of it, bro. Wait till you see it.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, B, I'm gonna let you get to it. I'm gonna go get this barber chair.
Good looking out and tell the wife I said hello.
Oh, hell yeah, boy.
For sure.
What's up, Roller Gang? Welcome to my birthday villa. So, you have the bedroom. Beautiful bathtub in the middle of the bedroom. This might be my favorite part. Eating area. TV. Bathroom. Another area, makeup, getting dressed. I'll probably spend a lot of time right here. Bathroom. Shower is outside. It's so beautiful. I love it. I'm gonna take you outside. Sitting area. And I guess activities. I might get the boat. I'm not sure yet. I'm still thinking about it. But it is beautiful and I love it, and I'm so excited to spend the rest of next 5 days here.
Later that night.
Me and Lily are settled, but what she don't know is I'm about to take her to dinner on a lake, and after dinner on a lake, they're gonna set up the room with rose petals, a bunch of like dope stuff for her. So we about to just go ahead. Yeah. Do we need a mask?
Yeah, just a mask for the gas card and just give us the green light. Just give us the green light.
Thank you. Two.
Mr. Timothy,
Yes.
how are you?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Excellent. Please come and sit.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm ready.
I am Jerry, I'm a butler supervisor, so I will be escorting you
Yes.
for your dinner.
Thank you.
Everything is ready, even we're gonna start a bit earlier.
Okay.
The weather tonight is just gorgeous.
Perfect.
It's not that hot, it's not that humid, so it's gonna be perfect so you can enjoy it.
She don't know yet. She doesn't know.
No?
She's-
Oh, are you ready to do the parachute? Skydiving?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm ready. Private party, we can't go.
Ah, you believe me? Oh, wow.
Watch your step.
Welcome on board.
Wow.
Hola.
Oh my God.
Here is gonna be Florencio. He will be taking care of you
Okay.
during this evening with your dinner. So please, if there's anything that you need, please ask Florencio. He will be able to assist you with that.
Thank
At
you.
the end of your dinner, if you require a golf cart, either to go back to your villa or if you want to go somewhere else, please don't hesitate. We can help you with that.
Thank you.
Okay? Anything else I can do for you at the moment?
No, sir.
Have a good evening.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. I'm so excited.
Hey, Dominic, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
For some water, not cold
Yeah.
water.
This is so beautiful.
Have you,
This is your
Madam, have you ever had dinner on a lake?
No.
Muchísimas gracias.
I was not expecting this.
No. We still got a lot in store for you this week.
Wow. This already, I can't imagine what else is in store.
Enjoy dinner.
Thank you.
I know you like to have birthday dinner, so.
You most definitely outdid yourself.
And I know you never been out of town on your birthday, so
No.
I wanted to make sure I gave you a birthday dinner, took you out of town, and gave you something that I'm guessing that you never done. I've never done this either.
I
so.
never done this. Never.
I hope you enjoy dinner on the lake.
Yes, it is so beautiful, peaceful.
So yeah, like I was telling y'all earlier, I'm just trying to give her a great birthday, you know. She did something for my birthday last year that nobody ever did for me. In all my 20s, I've never had a birthday party. I used to always throw a barbecue and invite all my family and friends. Like, I would go out of town for my birthday. Nobody ever really done nothing for me for my birthday. She threw me a whole birthday party, so just trying to, you know, show her that same type of love and gratitude back. And I appreciated it.
First.
Yes. So this is the first meal. We having octopus. Really having octopus.
Really heavy octopus.
You scared?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. You want to try?
Yeah.
Wow. It's okay. It's season. The season will take it away. It's good.
This is actually really, really good.
Yeah.
Like whatever seasoning they're using for this, like they definitely take away the fact that you're really eating the octopus. Like really, it's really good. Really, really good.
So peaceful.
It is peaceful. Ooh,
Biscuit lobster.
Biscuit lobster?
Yeah.
When I get enough money, I'm gonna go do this. But you seem to make it all happen.
What haven't you done yet?
What haven't I done yet?
What you want to do?
I mean, I went on my dream trip. I went to Jamaica. I wasn't expecting this. So, oh, you taking everything off the list. You are.
I'm trying. I'm just a man who tries. That's all.
You're doing a great job. You are.
Ooh. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Enjoy.
Cool, look. I can knock it off my bucket list and say that I ate.
It was amazing. Cool. Cool is not the word for this. It was amazing. You cannot. No, cool is not the word. No.
Okay. Amazing.
Yeah, it was amazing.
They hitting trees back there. Hitting trees now. You ready for dessert? So you ready for dessert?
Yeah. Ooh.
Special courtesy for you.
Thank
Happy birthday.
you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, baby.
birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Gracias.
It's a pleasure.
Happy birthday.
Definitely happy birthday. Happy birthday. You gotta taste it. I know you don't want to mess it up.
Yeah, I want to take a picture first.
Well, dinner's over.
Dessert was good.
How did you enjoy yourself?
I really enjoyed myself. I love this. Beautiful, peaceful. I wouldn't have it no other way.
You full?
Yes, I'm extremely full. I ate all my dessert. It was really good. I love chocolate, so it was right on point. Change my video. Walking to the room. My video, me walking.
Yeah. You got your wristband.
Not working. Oh my God! Baby, oh my God! What? You was really like... Wow. This is so beautiful. Thank you.
You wanna do your walking video now?
I don't care about the walking video.
A few moments later.
Turn on the light.
Where is it at?
It's back there. It's right there.
It's in her though?
Yeah, it's right there. Ain't no big one. It's a little baby lizard.
Oh.
Oh,
Did it go on the wall?
yeah. That mother did is on the wall.
Oh, it's a baby.